Sage has been used as a medicinal plant since ancient times. This plant belongs to the family Mintspan and taste that bit it is bitter. The used part of sage is its leaves and flowers, which have unique therapeutic effects in traditional and modern medicine. Also, according to traditional medicine, the nature of this plant is hot and dry. This medicinal plant can be used orally, infusion, decoction, tincture, and extract, and topically, oil, ointment, and extract. The medicinal properties of sage are due to the presence of secondary metabolites from the group of phenolics and terpenoid. Experts medicine traditional properties countless to this plant title have ended particle for direct object one from plants anti-old age. They know sage oil contains valuable secondary metabolites such as camphene, cineol, bernol, and bornol, which are known as toners, astringents, lubricants, and stimulants. This oil can be applied externally to relieve muscle spasms, rheumatism and other infectious diseases. In addition, from its aroma in aromatherapy for controlling anger, stress, fatigue, headache, and anxiety is used. Medicinal sage solution or tea is useful for treatment of fever, typhoid, diarrhea, liver problems, kidney problems, lung or stomach bleeding, etc. Measles. Other medicinal properties of sage include the following. This plant cures sore throat. Sage leaf infusion is very effective for treating sore throat and tonsils as well as sore throat. Sage tea is useful as a cough remedy because it has expectorant and anti-inflammatory properties. An expectorant is a drug that cleans the secretion of phlegm from the respiratory tract. To eliminate cough and sore throat, the condition will be relieved by continuous consumption of sage tea. Sage tea is an antioxidant drink that protects the body against cancer and also protects against free radicals. In fact, this plant expels harmful compounds through urine and has diuretic properties. Regular consumption of sage improves memory and information processing in people with Alzheimer's disease. Sage essential oil improves acetylcholinesterase levels in the brain. This enzyme improves concentration and is related to the treatment of memory impairment Alzheimer. It helps. Sage tea contains thujone, which contains GABA and serotonin. In addition to improving concentration and attention, it helps to deal with sadness and depression. Sage is also often used as a natural treatment for depression. The presence of synthetic antioxidants such as apigenin, diosmithine, and luteolin causes depression and stress. To cope, drinking a cup of sage tea will improve your mood. Phytoestrogens contained in sage plant reduce sweating and hot flashes, and phenolic acids present in it, such as rosmarinic acid, inhibit sweat secretion. Sage tea relieves hot flashes as well as sweating caused by menopause. This claim was made after observing women who consumed this herb daily for 8 weeks. The results indicate a decrease hot flashes. It was during 4 weeks and in the 8th week. Sage is a plant with antiseptic properties. As a result, it is effective for soothing and treating superficial skin injuries and is useful for improving oral and dental health. 2 teaspoons of sage contains 20 milligrams of calcium and a good amount of potassium, both of which are effective and necessary for the proper functioning of the cardiovascular system and maintaining the rhythm of the pen beat. Studies have shown that this plant has the ability to lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels in people with type 2 diabetes. It prevents premature aging. Sage leaf oil improves blood circulation and causes cell regeneration. This plant is rich in vitamin A and calcium, which play an important role in daily cellular regeneration. Can be used to solve the problem of premature graying of hair and use the properties of sage. In addition to the mentioned healing properties, sage is rich in chemical compounds derived from vitamins and minerals. Vitamin A. Sage is a great source of vitamin A. There are about 5,900 units of vitamin A in 100 grams of dried sage, which is 196% of the daily requirement for each person. Vitamin C. Fresh sage leaves are rich in vitamin C. 100 grams of it contains about 32.4 milligrams or 54% of the daily vitamin C needed by each person. Vitamin B. In addition to vitamins A and C, this plant has high levels of B vitamins such as folic acid, pyridoxine, thiamine, and riboflavin are compared to the recommended daily amounts. Minerals. Fresh and dried sage is a good source of minerals such as potassium, calcium, manganese, magnesium, zinc, iron, and copper. Vegetable oil. Sage leaves contain special compounds such as cineol, tannic acid, chlorogenic acid, caffeic acid, caffeic and nicotinic acid. Nicotinate is amide, flavin and estrogenic, as well as bitter substances such as urea and lactic acid. How to prepare sage tea? To prepare sage tea, add 2 tablespoons of fresh sage leaves, or 1 tablespoon of dried leaves, to a glass. Then fill the glass with almost boiling water, cover it for a few minutes. After removing the leaves, strain the tea and use it. Sage can be used as tea, decoction, extract and oil. Recommendations for consumption. Sage. Sage is rich in camphor, which may pose risks to the body when consumed in large quantities. Side effects caused by camphor and excessive consumption includes convulsions and gradual organ damage. Side effects of sage for women. Pregnancy period. Pregnant women are not advised to consume any type of drink or food that contains sage, because it may cause uterine contractions. In addition, it can cause tightening and shortening of the urinary muscles. In pregnant women, uterine contractions lead to abortion. Will be. Some species of sage, such as Spanish sage, may produce estrogen-like effects. Therefore, it is better not to use it for people with hormonal problems. The side effects of sage include mild digestive problems, nausea, vomiting, wheezing, skin allergy, high blood pressure and lower, depending on the type of sage, allergic reactions, and lowering blood sugar levels in people with diabetes.